but he's trying to post off of that hand. Again, a lot of shoulder health stuff, and we still get the work of a push-up in. The set previous, he did just a shoulder tap where he held the tap for about two count. But we'll see. We're going to do 3 sets of push-ups here, but in 3 different ways. So again, variation. Some people say variation is a spice of life. I just say it's a spice of your athletic bandwidth. So, and again, just something simple we can do. You know, is he strong enough to do other exercises? Yes, but in this system, day 1, we have this as upper body as our 3rd tier. So that's a body weight tier for us. Holding that glued ham, you can see he's, you zoomed in, he's kind of shaking like a leaf on a tree, which is fine. After 10 seconds, 3, 2, 1, yep, and then he's going to do his glute ham. He's doing a little bit stricter, which is fine. That's fine. Kind of gets the same thing done. That isometric, we're kind of trying to bomb out those fibers a little bit so he can hit the fast twitch in those hamstrings. Look at good. Get over to your left a little bit more. You're right there. 7 each. Well, let me get out of the way. Okay, so it can't be just a fall and a drop, right? We want to go this way with our hips. So when we do that, our one leg's going to go forward, whatever it may be, and then I'm finishing off. See how I did that? There's kind of like a little bit of a leap. Bend your knees a little bit, right? Now hips back. Now shift. Better. You got to push yourself out into that lunge. Boom. So again here, first keep walking forward. Walk forward. Yeah, you need tension. All right, so this is you got to get out further. See how you went like this, right? We need to go here. Boom. Our hips need to go, and our foot kind of stops us from falling down. Hips. Better. Head back over your hips, though. Right. Head over your hips. Better. You're going to feel a stretch in that front and that hip flexor when that happens, which is fine. Good. A little bit more, right? Get more backside finish. Finish with the right leg. Good. A little bit more. Like push. Push through the foot. Right? Push hard through the foot. Come on. Better. 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 Keep on that. All right. So the Yesis cord lunges. What we're doing here is, again, a concentric focus. We are in an in-season program. We want to mitigate eccentric stretch as much as we can. You got to finish with that foot, though. You got to finish with that foot. Good. Push. Push off the left foot. So horizontal resistance is not, there's no gravity acting on the body here. It's a little bit more applicable to the forces he's going to see on the basketball court, which makes it exactly how Yesis and Verkhoshansky term it. SST, specialized strength training, amplitude range of motion, not in the name of transfer so much. It may or may not, but it is specific to him taking off on that first step, which he's going to need on a basketball court, starting off for a sprint, what have you. What I also like about the drills are what I mentioned before, concentric bias, no eccentric stress. So we can mitigate that eccentric stress as much as we can in the in-season program, but keep the stimulus still high concentrically. And then he'll, so that was exercise 3 in the circuit. We're going to show you the other 2 here.